Behold, the work of one of my most excellent calculus students of all time. This is actually a former student who has now become my embedded tutor for my Calculus 1 class. They were in my class last year. And this is the optimization problem from the most recent exam in Calculus 1. My embedded tutor wanted to take the test just for fun. And look how beautifully they did. Obviously, the penmanship is gorgeous, but also the diagram here, nicely labeled. We have our volume function, volume as a function of x, then the critical values, verifying that it yields the max, fab, 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 even included the volume. And if you are in calculus, you have finals coming up or any exams coming up, then you need to hop right over to my YouTube channel, Math with Professor V. I have plenty of video lectures going over optimization. I have like 4 or 5 videos on that topic. I also have video lectures on every single topic in Calculus 1, 2, and 3. I even have final exam review videos where I just help you sort of cram or get a good overview. They're broken down into multiple parts. So if you're in this boat, if you're a calculus student, you have exams coming up, then subscribe, check out Math with Professor V. I'll be back sooner than later to share more fabulous work with you all. Bye.